Welcome to my channel. Today, I will present you a new Viber feature called Caller ID. Identify unknown callers, detect spam calls and help prevent fraud and spam when you get calls outside Viber. To use the Caller ID feature in Viber, make sure you have the latest version of the app installed on your device. When you receive an incoming call, Viber will display the caller's name and profile picture if available. It helps you identify who is calling you before answering the call. So, let's turn it on. Open the app. Tap on More. Now tap on Settings. Go to Calls and Messages. Caller ID is the first listed. Within this option, there is hyperlink Learn More. I will tap on it. As you can see, there is Caller ID webpage. Note that Viber Caller ID is only available on Android mobile phones in selected countries. You can read here more about this feature. Let's go back to Viber app. Tap on Radio button here to turn on Caller ID. We need to grant permission for Viber to draw over other apps. Tap on this button. Find Viber. Tap on it. Grant permission by tapping on the toggle button. That's it. When you get a call from phone numbers that have been reported by other Viber users as a source of spam will be displayed to you with a spam alert. If you like the video, please subscribe.